Alright, so I want to try and become better at Minecraft, but to do that, I'm obviously gonna have to practice. So, I'm gonna try to boat clutch. I don't know why I'm like lagging, but whatever, it's probably OBS. Anyways, let's try this. Attempt number 1. Whee! Oh! Alright, I want to try something harder. Like, I throw it and then I clutch. Let's try that. Did I get it? Ah, no. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, no. Attempt 3, third time's the charm. Oh, okay, well, right? Attempt 4. No, I'm not gonna catch it. Oh, I caught it as soon as I died. Wow. Also, I'm not gonna be able to do what Dream did.
My dream!
Wait, what?
What? Oh my gosh!
Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna try to like throw it and then just clutch. Here we go. Oh. No.